Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I'm from the study program Economic Education, STKIP Pangeran Dharma Kusuma, Segeran Juntinyuat Indramayu. On this beautiful day, I will present an article entitled The Influence of Brand Image on Purchase Motivation of Motorcycle Products. Let's start the presentation with an introduction. With the increase in science and technology, spurring more and more growth of industry that produces goods and services, such as the automotive industry, which is growing rapidly, especially motorcycle. This results in consumers becoming increasingly meticulous and critical in choosing goods and services that suit their needs. So this becomes a record and a problem that must be considered by every company because it will cause intense competition between these companies. In addition to the main business competition issue faced by producers to market their products, market decisions in determining the product used are also a problem for producers. These market decisions stem from consumers' motivation for the products used. The point is that company wants its product to be known by consumers and sold. To achieve this, a product must have an attraction in order to motivate consumer to buy. To achieve consumer motivation in buying product is not easy because the company must be able to create a good impression on consumers so that it can be influenced. To attract the attention of consumers, brand image must be firmly attached to the hearts of consumers. A strong brand image of a product will encourage consumers to be motivated to make a purchase. Brand imagery can influence consumer confidence and motivate consumers to make purchase, but because of past experience in using it and proximity to a brand and its various characteristics. Brand image provides a description of the brand of a product. If the image is obtained, the brand will live in the mind of consumers, and if not, the brand is just a dead thing that does not have the aura or power to influence consumers. Products in the form of goods or services that already have high imaging value or brands that are already well known among the community are not difficult to develop. Other things that are not yet known. This study aims to determine whether brand image influence the purchase motivation of Yamaha motorcycle products. Next, research method. In this research, the method that used is a descriptive correlational research method. The population in this study were the students of SMK Cendekia Utama Kuningan, with a sample of all students of SMK Cendekia Utama totaling 100 students. Meanwhile, the data collection technique used a research instrument in the form of a questionnaire. Discussion. From the calculation of brand image variable significant influence of purchasing motivation. Of course, this can be a reference for the institution or company that manufactures Yamaha motorcycle in knowing the level of imaging of a product so that it can improve it for the creation of high purchase motivation. There are several factors that influence consumer behavior, including cultural factors, social factors, personal factors, and physiological factors. When in the mind, physiological factors is the purchase motivation to meet a need. The results of previous studies that support this research conducted by Zulfikri Aziz Muttalib et al. 2018 have the argument that brand image will directly influence the high interest in buying a product. In other words, brand image has non-material benefit that consumers consider in achieving satisfaction levels. Yamaha motorcycle products are well-known motorcycle brands, especially among SMK Cendekia Utama students. Brand name awareness play an important role in the process of motivating consumers to buy the product. If the consumer has heard the brand name, the customer will feel more comfortable when making a decision to buy it. Conclusion. From the result of analysis and statistical testing of the data obtained about the influence of brand image on purchase motivation, the authors can draw conclusions based on the result of calculation using the significance test can be interpreted that brand image has a positive influence on purchase motivation. Okay, that was my presentation. Thank you for listening. See you next time, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.